Next, we're going to do some practice activities for Chapter 2A or Unit 2, Lesson 1, based on Activity 5 and 6. You can find these on your online book on page 96. So, ¿qué comieron? Here's a food word bank. You're going to need these for Activity 5. Una manzana, una pizza, un pollo, una ensalada, las papas fritas, and uvas. So you'll notice that it starts with the verb cue, so you'll have to use your notes. It says, last week you ate an apple. So we're conjugating comer in this activity. So I need you to start with the verb cue. You need to conjugate the verb comer for two, and then say an apple. So last week you ate an apple. La semana pasada tú comiste una manzana. Number 2, it says the day before yesterday, the boys ate a pizza. So you've got to put the verb cue, the day before yesterday. Got to conjugate the verb comer for the boys, and then say a pizza. The day before yesterday, the boys ate a pizza. Anteayer, los chicos comieron una pizza. So last night we ate chicken. Again, the verb cue last night, and then conjugate the verb comer for the we form. Anoche nosotros comimos pollo. So we're going to jump over to activity 6 now. And for activity 6, this is a question answer thing between a partner. So we're going to write it all out, and then you're going to practice actually asking the questions with your partner and answering them. So did you score a goal? So that's a vocabulary phrase of ours. So remember to conjugate the verb and then put the word to after it. Did you score a goal? So yes, last night I scored a goal. So notice that the answer has a verb cue in it. So take a second and write the question and answer. Did you score a goal? ¿Metiste tú un gol? Yes, last night I scored a goal. Sí, anoche yo metí un gol. Notice the accents on these questions and answers. On the question, there's an accent on to. On the answer, there's one on yes, on sí. And on the verb metí, because in the yo form and in the LNA form, we have accents on those verb endings. The next question and answer is, did you eat in a restaurant? Yes, last week I ate at a restaurant. So take a second, write your sentences, write your question and answer. So, did you eat at a restaurant? ¿Comiste tú en un restaurante? Notice we put the word to after the verb. So yes, last week I ate at a restaurant. Sí, la semana pasada yo comí en un restaurante. Notice the accent on to in the question and on comí in the answer and on sí. Sí for yes. Did you write emails? Yes, last class I wrote an email. Okay, so that verb cue is a little different. It says last class. So if you know how to say last month or last year, replace the word month or year for the word class. Or the word for last week, replace the word for week. Did you write the emails? ¿Escribiste tú correos electrónicos? Notice the accents there. Yes, last class I wrote an email. Sí, la clase pasada yo escribí un correo electrónico.